Good afternoon, TikTok and YouTube. What is happening? What is happening? All right. Raymond, what up, brother? What up? Over here on Gold on a Tuesday. Yeah, we're in a very interesting spot over here on Gold. Give me 1 sec. I'm just trying to get my shit together here. All right, cool. So we're here on Gold Tuesday, feeling amazing. How was work? Gold looking crazy. Yeah, work's good, man. Work's good. But this is my, this is the best part of my day. So why do I fucking sound lagged? Why do I sound... Raymond, if you're still there, do I sound weird? Like, do I sound kind of echoey? Does it sound normal? Adrian, what up, brother? What up, what up? Do I sound normal? Sup, history? Sounds good? Okay, sick. Check, 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 check. All right. Let's see what we can do over here. Gang, as I'm sure you guys are aware, sorry, 1 sec. Let me turn. Check, check, check. All right. Fuck, I'm gonna have to scrap this. I don't know what's wrong with it. What could be happening here? Sorry, I'm sorry for being a noob. Alright, there's probably nothing I can do about it. It's all good. Alright, so we're freaking edging all-time highs here. I'm gonna take this out. Fuck it. I have to go natural. We're edging all-time highs. Let's have a look. Sell from there, says Mr. Something. What confirmation do you have that would indicate selling from here right now is a good idea? Because right now, nothing is happening. Right now, nothing has given any indication. History, yesterday entry 2731, take profit. Oh. Guys, I caught an insane trade here on during the Asian sesh. I caught this ride up here. I caught this move up. It was really juicy. Really juicy. 1 sec. Check, check. I think I might know what's up. Check, check. No, it turns out I don't know what's up. Yeah, very happy about that one. It was good, it was good. Sorry. I'm still just trying to figure out something here. I don't know why I'm slightly delayed. I guess I'll never know. Yeah, I got the same ride to the sky. Oh, did you? Yeah, it was a very nice move, that one. Check. 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 Anyway. All right, let's have a look. Let's stop playing around here. So as you can see, this is all-time highs here. This is all-time highs. So I'll show you what I'm looking for. Let me open up Zoom over here. Let me open up Zoom over here. History, if you're there, can you confirm, does the music and my vocals sound normal? All right, so I'm essentially waiting for a breakout. This is super simple stuff over here. Waiting for one of these candles to close above that all-time high range, get some sort of wick, and then a continuation up. Take a buy right there. Easy money. It's really that simple. Yeah, sounds normal. Okay, sweet. Thanks, brother. Yeah, super simple stuff over here. Essentially just waiting for that breakout. Let's have a look at this range here, though. Let's see if it's going to be more beneficial. Bro, come to Transylvania. Whoa. Transylvania. Damn, I wouldn't even know how to begin life in Transylvania. Let's measure this range over here. So from the bottom here to the all-time high is 90 pips. So if I'm waiting for some sort of breakout from there, I've got to ask myself now, do I expect it to break out, which is 100 pips, and then continue moving? Or do I think it needs to create a bit of support first, which would look something like this, right? We come up, we close somewhere up around there, and then we get some sort of red candle printed just to give us a bit of support. And then from there, could look at some sort of impulse buy up, right? That seems like it makes more sense. I'd be more comfortable taking a trade along that would be along the lines of that. Because yeah, you've always got to ask yourself, it's a game of probabilities, right? And what's the probability of it moving all day today? It's moved up heaps, but I'm more concerned about just this little consolidation range, which is 100 pips nearly. That's the questions that I'm asking myself. So I'd love a bit of support to be formed first, and then I'll look at taking some sort of buy. But there's things that I could be looking for to take some sort of sell as well. There's things that I would like to see. We have news in 7 hours. Oh, yeah, we do too. Thankfully, we'll be freaking out of here by then. Thank the Lord himself. Yeah, I'm a bit devout about this freaking check. I'm a bit devout about this. Check. What platform do you recommend to trade with as a beginner? It doesn't matter, brother. It does not matter. The platform doesn't matter, as just as long as you're willing to, get in there and just get in there and start learning. What website to buy and sell, lad? These questions are like impossible to answer. It's impossible to answer because I don't know what to say. I'm on a platform I'll tell you right now. I'm on a platform called Topstep X. You have to buy a trading challenge in order to be able to trade on this platform. But if you want to just put money into an account, just go to any. It doesn't matter. They're all the same, bro. You know, people are like, what broker do you use? It doesn't matter. like, I don't know why people are so obsessed with like what broker. It's like, it's all the same shit. It is all the same. I expect a pullback before the news. Yeah, so I think we're going to get some decent movements before the news. If news is in 7 hours, we've still got a lot of movement. We've got London open now, so a lot of volume coming in. Lockie, what up? What up? Over here on gold. Hey, man, how long have you been trading for? I've been trading for 2.5 years. I'm here on gold right now. And what are you doing? Yeah, I'm here on gold looking for some opportunity over here. Ideally, if we break this zone here, which I've got outlined, that's all-time highs. Gold has never been above this range right here. right? So I'm looking for an opportunity to be a part of that move. But I was saying before, I do believe that we'll need some sort of support to be formed. So some sort of red candle around here would be great before that. Got any boxing training advice, bro? Got a podcast fight in April next year. A podcast fight? What the fuck's that? You go on a podcast and you have to fight the host? What's a good starting balance to trade with? $1,000 maybe? Or just buy a prop firm challenge, a cheap prop firm challenge? Or you could, just buy a cheap challenge. I was able to recover the loss and end of the day profit. Oh, good shit, man. Good. Are you short? I'm waiting for an opportunity. I'm waiting for a buy opportunity potentially. So this 15's got 4 minutes. This 15-minute candle's got 4 minutes before it closes. Let's see if any opportunities arise over here. $100 is fine, bro. $100 is more than fine. $100 is good. Good price will have a big spike up if war breaks out, don't you think? Well, war already has broken out. I think it is part of the reason why gold is consistently pushing up. Oh, Laser, good to see you back, brother. Good to see you back. Laser, would you be able to confirm on TikTok end? Do I sound normal? Is the audio all good? Because it's a bit weird in my ear. I mean, if they hit Iran's oil facilities. Jeez. Sounds fine. Oh, okay, awesome. Thanks for that, Finn. Awesome. So just over here now, we've got 3 minutes before this 15 candle closes. Just waiting for some sort of potential opportunity over here on gold. Waiting for some sort of opportunity to execute on gold. See, this could be enough for me. This candle right here is printing red, right? Which is now going to be some sort of support. If the next one can flip up, it's still a pretty big fucking candle, but it's better than nothing. Muzz, good morning, brother. Good morning to you. Good afternoon to me. Thank you for being here, man. Good to see you back. Good to see you back. Over here on gold. Looking for some sort of opportunity over here on gold. I'm already up 850 for the day. I caught a really nice trade up. And hopefully you can catch some more today. I need to get into trading. How would you recommend I start? Do you want me to show you how I recommend you start? Do this. Type into Google, baby pips. Right? And there's a thing up here that's called, it's a bit hard on TikTok, you can't see, but just type in babypips.com and do their free course. Now, this course isn't going to change your life, but it's going to teach you a bit of the fundamentals behind what freaking trading is, right? And it's pretty fucking boring as well. But with that being said, if you can sit through it and do the entire course, one, you prove to yourself that you're at least hungry to learn, right? Because people think, oh man, I want to learn trading. Let me just throw in some money and make money. It's like, bro, this is a profession. We're not gambling. If you want to gamble, go to the casino. But if you want to show yourself that you're dedicated to trading, do the Baby Pips course. Start there. What candle is he trading? Now, this is a 15, so I know I can't show it on TikTok, but I'll constantly be switching between the 15 and the 20, and the 30 minute. History, Baby Pips, I learned the basics. That helps so much. Yeah, there you go. There's a testament right there. Yeah, that's the first thing I did as well. I went through the whole course. And yes, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming when they're talking about A book, B book, and all this kind of shit, but just get through it. Any unrest disruption with any of the big players in the global reserve areas causes large spikes. Oof. Oh, Laser over here is got buyers for the London. If you get a closure above, yeah, I'm looking at the same, 100%. Morton, do you think, and are you going to beat the expectations on earnings today? No, I'm not. Let's have a look at the news over here, right? So news isn't for history, so it's not for another 7 hours. I don't think so. I'm not going to be trading then. Do you think it will push up from this flag formation? Yeah, I guess it is forming a flag, but it's not. Here's the thing. Who said that? Morton. It's not a flag until it's a flag, right? And even then, it's still not really a flag, because look at this. If it was a flag, we've got to go that way. So that's saying that you're still anticipating this to come down and tap into this and then flip from there and stop about there. Like, it's not a flag yet, right? And even if it does form a flag, I don't want to think about it too much. I used to do that. It's too unpredictable. So I'm just waiting for candle closures. Even a couple days is better. Even a couple days learning is better than working a couple days for barely anything. Yeah, well, that's the thing, man. And just think of it as a long game, right? I think a lot of people come in, they just think you might be profitable in 6 months. It's gonna fucking take time. It's gonna take time. Just learn. No, you trade new. No, I'm not gonna trade the news. The news isn't for another 7 hours. Guys, if you ask what site to trade on and things like that, you've got a lot of looking into things to do, right? Just Google that kind of stuff. Because if you're asking, all right, here's the thing: if you're asking what site to trade on, it means you haven't even learnt about trading yet. So take a few steps back. Don't even worry about where to trade and things like that. Start to learn about trading first. I've seen more people profiting off this than regular employees. Yeah, but you've got to understand that a lot of people online are faking. Like a lot. Like most of them. I'm sorry, but like most of them. Much more people make more money from working a job. Trading's difficult. What country are you from? Australia. I live in Brisbane, Australia, bro. Tim Dog. Brisbane, Australia, and we're just over here looking at gold, waiting for something. So what's the 30 look like? Okay, the 30's looking all right. I'm going to jump over to Forex here, see if it says anything different. No, it's pretty virtually the same. What's the 1 hour looking like? Very interesting. If this formation occurred a little bit higher, I'd be looking to take an impulse buy, but because it's still below that all-time high, I'm gonna have to wait. What's the time for you? It is currently 5:20 something. It's 5:20 p.m. Yeah, Kale. The chances of essentially earning an income off trading is much, much more difficult than rocking up to a job. But the earning potential with trading, if you stick through it long term, is much, much higher. But give yourself at least 2 years before you see any progress. Not progress, before you see any consistency, I should say. 4 hour RSI telling me it's oversold. Oversold or overbought? Damn, TikTok with the 600 likes already. That's fucking wild, eh? So good. Appreciate the insight. Yeah, no problem, bro. More life skills as well. Yep. Overbrought. Yeah, I thought you meant overbrought history. Like, it would make sense for it to say it's overbrought history. But on the other hand, you've got to think, like, I don't know. Let's just wait and see. You buy or sell. Here, look, I'll leave this thing here. I'm looking for buys above this area after a closure. But if something different starts to form, I'll call it out, because I could see potential for sells as well. But I don't really want to sell. I want to buy. It's very difficult to stream on TikTok because it's got so much shit on the screen, hey? Like, it's like you got to cram everything in, but it's alright. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Oh, that's a very bullish 4 hour. Bit of support, now we're pushing up. Let's have a look at the 4 hour on Forex. Bit different, but same thing. It's created a bottom wick. Now it could probably break its own high and continue up. So I've got to be very on the ball here. I don't want to miss this opportunity, but I also don't want to be too eager to take the opportunity, because I could find myself making dumb decisions because I got too eager. All-time high. Yeah, sorry, I'm actually, this is futures. So all-time high is over there, you're right. But on Forex, it's just basically above these candles. So I'm going to base a lot of my move, that closure above, off Forex, to be honest. Hey, Carl. What is up, my dude? Just over here on gold. News will play a huge part. Yeah, let's see what. Maybe it will. What's the news? I don't even know what the freaking news event is. Let's have a look. So at 1 a.m. jobs. Yeah, I don't think. We'll see. We'll see. Regardless, we're in a high volume time now. We'll see what can happen over here. I understand that today we have moved up 160 pips. But this is gold, my dude. There is no stopping gold. It'll do what it wants. Like this move right here, this big drop down. I'm pretty sure I remember this was all just the New York session, which is like fucking 450 pips. So we won't underestimate gold's potential to move. Because, there's a bit of a tendency to be like, man, it's already moved so much up. Like, what's the probability that it's going to keep going? So no, I know gold. Don't underestimate old Goldie. It'll do shit. Forex Factory is the best for news. Yeah, 100%. Verified Gangster. It's at all-time high. I love this. Yeah, so do I. I love when it's a lot of people are a bit like hesitant when gold's up towards all-time high, but I'm like, man, this is good. This is a good opportunity. AKA Axe0 FX King of Fullback. I am not in a sell. The chart has currently not created any opportunities yet, so we're just waiting to see what can happen over here. I'll draw up again what I'm looking for. Census 30 might close like this and create a bit of support. Next one to close down and break above this kind of all-time high area, and then look for a buy after that, essentially. That's what I'm thinking. Verified Gangster. They want to sell, but gold has a mind of its own. Yep, 100%. I'll tell you right now. So think about it like this, guys. 90% of traders lose, right? And 90% of traders go, well, gold's moved up. What's the probability of it continuing moving up? I'm going to click sell because there's no way it can keep going, right? We kind of tell ourselves this story because the idea is like you're just basing it off how you feel about the market. Or it's like, no, let's just do what it's actually showing us, not how we feel. I don't want to jump into any impulse decisions. But yeah, I did catch this move up here during the Asia sesh. I seen there was this level of resistance here. This candle here broke above. It wicked down, flipped. I took a buy right there, and it just fucking flew up. It was a very nice trade. Scalping gold is lovely. Yes, I agree with that. Oh, you missed that one? Yeah, it was. If you missed it, it would have left because it just shot. So obviously we're in London, there's a lot of volume, but the last few days, if you'd noticed, London has opened up and it's kind of just held its ground for a little bit. It hasn't moved straight away. So even though it's a whole high volume time, let's just see what, there's obviously like indecision, like, oh, do we want to go to all time high? Do we want to go down? Like, let's just see kind of who takes over here. Do you look at charts when you're at work? No, I used to, and I lost a lot of money doing so. Right? Because here's the thing, you might be looking at it at work, and then you're kind of like, oh man, tempted to take a shitty trade, and you take a shitty trade, and you're fucking emotional. Then when you go to the charts to actually sit down, now you're like, oh man, it's not a good way to go. Today was an exception. But I've learned the hard way, that's for sure. Can I go down to 2742? Can you go down to 2742? Absolutely. If it was to come down and break past this support level here, the probability of it continuing down of 2742 is very high because that's the next zone of support, right? Trading all-time highs aren't nice in my opinion. I'll be honest with you, trying solo traveling Rick, I've had some good success with hitting those all-time highs because if you get a decent closure above all-time highs and get a wick down, when it goes, bro, it goes. So what are we looking at here? This is gold. We're edging all-time highs, looking for some opportunity to take a buy over here. Looking for some opportunity to take a buy over here. I'm currently on the 30-minute chart, so just waiting right now. My streams are probably boring, bro, because when I jump on, I'm waiting for opportunities. I'm not jumping into anything. I'm not, oh man, I'm streaming. There's people watching. I should entertain people by taking a trade. No, bro, I'm waiting for my setup. That's in accordance to my rules. So that's what I'm doing. This 30 minutes about to close here. So we created some sort of support now. What's the 15 look like? Cool. I could tell you something that I could see happening here. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll be looking for a buy here if I see this. If I see this next candle print something like this with a pretty nice wick, the next 15 to print something like this, when that next one opens up, I'll take a buy right there, anticipating that continuation back to the upside, right? Because that would say to me, we've created some sort of support. The candle bodies are getting smaller. We've printed a blue engulfing candle. We tried to wick down one more time, couldn't do it, and flip up. Boom. And I will hold to all-time highs and add to my position if we close above. Like, that is a really nice thing. But let's see. What if this 15 closes bullish? Well, like I just said, if this closes small body bullish, that's good for me. But if this decides to do something else, cool, just wait. I'm in no rush. Charts aren't going anywhere. Charts are not going anywhere. $15 wasn't broken. I think it's going to fly. What do you mean, brother? What do you mean? I don't know what ORB means. I'm assuming you mean order block. Yeah, I don't know anything about order blocks and things like that, of that nature. I don't. I used to dabble in order blocks, but I actually, it wasn't for me. It's kind of like an invisible area, right? So just waiting for a little setup over here. I would like to see this current 15 close small body. To be honest. opening range breakout, is that, are you talking about like this here, laser? Like if it flips here? So like I said, if this can come down and kind of leave a decent wick and flip back, I've already drawn up what I'm looking for, so that'll be pretty nice. But if it drops down and continues down, then that's all good as well. I just won't participate in that, I'll wait for a setup. Back in a sec. Here it comes. Nah, still got 7 minutes over here. A lot can change in 7 minutes. A lot can change. Just going to flick through some of these time frames here. I always find the last 2 to 3 minutes of the 15 candle shows true direction. Yeah, you get a lot of that movement in the last minute or so, right? I feel bad for the TikTok people. I can't play music. Like, I don't know how to play music through in the background. Oh, it really doesn't matter. But. I've got 5 minutes over here for this 15 closure. $30-minute. Nahila ila hov shabila la. Sell everything. Signal. Link in my bio. Wow. Everybody, head over to Nalila hala hov shava bala. He's suggesting that we sell everything, and there's also a link in his bio. Shit. You might be right, my dude. You might be right. It's not a risk I'm willing to take. Oh, we're gonna be rich, Shaliva. Love your work too. Oh. B, we need 200 viewers again. Yeah, we need 200 viewers. I don't know what their TikTok glitch is. You know how TikTok is though, man. Like I swear sometimes you'll like post something and it'll just have like 1 trillion views and the next one will have like 2. But that's alright, regardless, just showing up. We're trying to trade more than anything. Alright, so we've got 3.5 minutes here for this 15. It's closing very nicely. Oh, it's not closing yet, but if it closes something like this, it's very similar to what I printed out before. So let's see. I followed yesterday, back again. Oh, appreciate that, B. Yeah, I remember your name. Appreciate it, man. Show up every day. Show up every day. Trying to get to the bag, my dude. More than anything, just exercising discipline. That's really what it is, right? I think showing up's probably the easy part, but sticking to your rules is the real testament. Oh, Nalila Hov Shavila Bala is selling more. He's just sell. What time do you finish the stream? So I don't know. I think I'll do I don't know. If I get 1 or 2 clean trades, then I'll just end it like that. But really until a decent setup arises. Why are you at all-time high on gold? Go to Dow. You go to Dow. Selling, said Hala. Okay, so everyone's in sells, so that makes me want to go for buys even more. Because if 90% of traders lose, and 90% of the people in the chat are saying sell, then it would only make sense, right? Lol, bro, just call me Hov. Oh, Hov. Sorry, destroying your name. Okay, Hov. Get free signals in chat is wild. Yeah, well, Hov is fucking coming through in the chat with the free signals, man. Anyone that's watching this, Hov's your dude. All right, we've got 1 minute and 45 seconds for this 15. I would really like a bit of a rejection over here. If not, my idea's becoming a little bit more invalid. Well, it is invalid. If this body closes bigger than the previous 15, then my idea is invalid. Bro's gonna make us rich. Yo, legit. Man, Hov, bro. Hov, but what if this goes up? Then do I get money? You have to pay me, bro. Because you're telling everyone to sell. Big G. BG. Oh, man. It's a crazy world out here. All right, I've got 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see if it can close smaller than the previous candle. That would be really cool. That would be great. That would be great. Guys, if you're watching this on TikTok, can you spam the likes? Help a brother out. Let TikTok know that we're trying to pop off over here. We're really doing it, man. Might close doji. If it does that, that's excellent. Good. But here's the thing, I still need the next candle to close green. Okay, I still have to wait for if this closes small body, I still have to wait for the next candle to print small body green. And then after that, I'll look at taking a buy right there. I need that to form. All right. Let's see how that formed on the Forex market. If it's, yeah, look how it's a bit more clear on the Forex market, how the bodies are getting smaller. Now I would like a small body closure of this green candle. Well, my thesis is that I've mastered the 1 minute time frame. Wow. He's using terms like mastered. Like if you say the word I've mastered trading, damn, that's a you might get yourself in a bit of trouble, I think, with that mindset. The charts always have a good way of humbling you, right? I found the hard way. They always have an interesting way of humbling you. Trying to solo traveling Rick. Crypto is pumping out of nowhere. Is it? Let's have a look. BTC. Bitcoin. Oh, wrong one. BTC against the US dollar. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Oh, is it? Shit, you're right, Rick. Oh, I must have drawn this up ages ago. Look at this, and it did break out. How funny is that? Bro, I haven't looked at Bitcoin in so fucking long. I must have drawn up this channel. Oh, sorry, TikTok, you can't see that. Look at this channel, and it broke out of that channel. Look, it broke out, came back down, tapped into it, respected it, and now it's fucking shooting off. This is good news for Bitcoin people. Damn, I wish I noticed that. I would have fucking been all in. How interesting. Wow. So I that's interesting because I always questioned whether crypto, especially Bitcoin, respects technical analysis as much as like currency pairs. But obviously it does. Wow, that's very interesting. Bitcoin hit 770k yesterday. Wow. Wow. All the Bitcoin people are like, told you, fuck everyone. You know, like it's, yeah. All right, look what's happening over here. I would love for this to try to test one more time and leave a decent wick, and then from there, flip small body bullish. That would be excellent. But beggars can't be choosers, so we'll wait and see. Hov is still on about cells, okay. Oh, thank you, TikTok, for spamming the likes there. 3,000. That's some wild shit. Oh, that's so fucking interesting. All right, let's see what this candle can do over here. Like I said, I would love to see it test one more time and flip bullish. Because these opportunities like this are my favorite in an uptrend. Because if I know right here is a very strong level of resistance, and I'm looking at taking a trade on the way up to that resistance, if I can get in early, I'm able to capitalize on that move up. And not only that, I can add to my position once it does break out and continue up. You know, and that kind of thing is pretty rare to happen, but if you get it, it's fucking phenomenal. All right, let me do a little flick through all these time frames just to make sure I'm not missing anything here. I'm gonna go switch over to Forex to do it. Yeah, I'm very bullish still, based off that 4 hour. What's a daily look like? Super bullish. 4 hours super bullish. 1 hour is a bit barcodey, nothing really to tell. Actually, the 1 hour is even bullish, because you could ask yourself this: if this previous 1 hour broke above this minor resistance here, now this one's flipped down, creating a bottom wick and then a continuation up. Like if this is just a wick being created here, then we could be off to the races. The 30-minute, yeah. And I'm loving how the 15's looking, if it flips bullish. All right, looking good, looking good. Bullish engulfing the last 1 hour. Yeah, it was a bullish engulfing as well. Yep. So there's a few confluences that are indicating that an upward trajectory is what is most likely kind of looking like. But with that said, things can change in a second, so I don't want to get my head too stuck on some kind of concept playing out. Ever traded the 5 as in the 5 minute? Yeah, I used to trade the 5 minute and the 1 minute, and it destroyed my mental and my account. Like, it's obviously there's a lot of people that do it and they do well. It just wasn't, because you know you have to trade in accordance to your personality type, right? And it didn't match my personality type. I was taking too many trades. I was looking at the charts too much. And if I'm somebody that trades on a naked chart and looks for technical analysis and candle formations for a indication for an entry, man, I was seeing them everywhere on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, right? So yeah, it just didn't match my personality type that well. Timothy Tran 189, what markets do you predominantly trade in? This is the futures market right now, but I also have, oh, I forgot to say, I've also got a Forex account over here funded as well, so I'm going to be challenge account, so I'm going to be trading both. But my 100k challenge account is in futures. All right, 6 minutes. We're creating some sort of either pushing down or a nice wick. I'm not even tapping my girl as much as I'm tapping the screen. Oh, my man, I appreciate that. She can wait. The screen and the likes cannot wait. Appreciate it. Recipe for disaster and liquidity. Yeah, it's difficult, man. Have you become profitable? Well, I guess profitable. I'm relatively consistent, but in terms of profitability, I still... Oh... Somebody sent some sort of apple. Chris. Thank you, brother. Hey, Chris, appreciate the Apple thing. I don't know what it is. I'm new to all this, but I appreciate it a lot. Thank you, my man. I want to start doing this as a side thing. I just need to do more research on trading. Yes, that's exactly what you want to do if you want to do it as a side thing. Keep researching, keep trading, keep backtesting, keep showing up, and keep journaling and looking to improve. Like, check this out. This is my journal over here. Look how many trades are in here, right? And if I take a trade, cool, win or loss, I'll journal it, put all the info, and face it. Because what happens when you take a loss, right? You don't want to face the pain. The last thing you want to do is journal it, but when you do, you actually learn from it. You're like, I can see, man. Now that I'm slowing down, I'm typing it up, yeah, I see what I did there. And learn from it. Do you think those challenges help? Well, if you're, I think above 5,800 would be a nice join for bulls. 5,800, what? This is gold. This is gold over here, MRG. I think challenges are a great way to start trading. Just get a cheap challenge because it's got rules and parameters. You can't lose this much. You have to get this target. You have to stay within this guideline. You know what I mean? Melinda Zara 431, are you single? Yes, but I'm married to the charts. I'm sorry. I had to say it. I had to say the most corny thing I could think of, and I'm married to the charts, unfortunately. Even though she treats me very badly sometimes, other times she makes me feel good. Oh, fuck. Oh, lazy, you're a part-time trader. Yeah, nice. I'm back to work on Thursday. In the office, so trade all day. Oh, nice. I thought you were going to say you don't get to trade at all. Good shit. Marta Julia, buy or sell? Marta Julia, I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I don't suggest you do anything, though. Because if you're on TikTok and you're asking someone to buy or sell, I would suggest, in the nicest way possible, do a bit more study, do a bit more back testing, understand your strategy a bit better. Trust in your own analysis, I would suggest. Trust in your own analysis would be really good. Just starting to learn, Chris. Oh, okay. You've come to the right place. Yeah, Marta, I said before, a really good place to learn some of the basics and stuff is a website called Baby Pips. It's a free course you can do. And yeah, I'd suggest that. All right, let's have a look over here. So we've got 2.5 minutes for this 15. It's either creating a wick now or it's going down. So going down to who knows where, but going down. Hov in the chat that was telling everyone to sell everything is gone boom in the chat. Bro, I wouldn't count your horse. I guess don't count your horses just yet. It's only just moving. Timothy, thank you, brother. You too. It will be a very nice week if it does flip, but we're kind of running out of time here. I'm glad that you showed up today too. Good to see you, mate. Oh, appreciate that, MG. Every day, man, just show up. And I was saying before, showing up is probably the easy part, but showing up and sticking to your rules is where the real challenge begins, right? Anytime I've taken an L, not any, but 99% of the time I've taken L's is when I've shown up, but I didn't have the discipline to stick to the rules in which I know I should. So my goal is to show up and stick to my rules. Cosmin Tofin, hello sir. What is up, my dude? What is up? We're over here on gold. Waiting for some sort of opportunity over here. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. Oh, the 30 minutes about to close as well. I didn't realize that. Okay. Yeah, we might be a bit fucked here for gold, so we're going to have to wait around a little bit longer, I think. Going to have to wait around a little bit longer. You know, it's flipping now. It's got 40 seconds. To be honest, I didn't think this was the 30-minute closure as well. Should have listened to you, Hov. Yeah, we all should have sold everything because Hov had instructed us diligently. Big Dog TV. Hey Dan, I've been here but fell asleep. Bro, you're saying I'm boring. Do you give away any Topstep account? Oh, okay. So with the accounts, look at this. So I've actually got my account because they sent me an email and said, yeah, you're all good. I checked my account and it's just my account that they gave me. I said, where's the community's accounts? And he said, just give me a couple more days, 100%. I said, yeah, well, don't fuck around because I've already told everyone they're getting it. Like, I'll 100% get it. I don't have a definite date. It should be a couple days. It should be a couple days. Oh, that was a 1 hour closure as well. All right, so let's have a look here. So it's looking really ugly here on the 1 hour. Look at that. All right. That's really ugly on the 1 hour. There's not a whole bunch of information. But all right, so remember what I was just saying about what I wanted to be printed on the 15? I'm now looking for the same thing on the 30. Right? Something like that. Ideally, something like that afterwards, but this is a pretty high volume time. I think the probability of getting a clean shit like that is lower, but if I get something like that, wonderful. I'll take a buy right there all day. But I've got a few options. Let's just see how this plays out over here. Oh, that's right, big dog. Yep. 1 hour left for the 4 hour closure. Yeah, good point. Good point. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour left for the 4 hour closure on Forex. So you also have to keep that in mind. Be cautious of that. Which time frame? I'm going to be predominantly switching between the 15 and the 30 minute time frame. Right now, this is a 30. Right now, this is a 30. I'll stick on this 30 for a while, to be honest. Could flip back bullish to continue trend. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, yeah, we'll see what this one can do. Yeah, a big wick would be excellent. A big wick would be great. A big wick would be great. All right, so we've got nearly 6,000 likes on TikTok, 43 viewers. TikTok spam the likes. And also TikTok, in my bio, I've got a link to my Discord. I'm going to be giving away some free prop firm accounts. Maddie said, I'm on sell. Oh, Maddie's on a sell. That's all right. No sad faces yet. Nothing. There's no definitive direction just yet. Like, it's not really giving us any clues just yet what the next move's going to be. What's that beginner's course again? It's called Baby Pips. So just type in Google babypips.com and just do like the free course. Maddie's in a cell over here. What about Nas? No, I'm not looking at anything but gold. Personally, I found the most success in my trading when I decided to show up for the London session and only trade gold in accordance to my plan. Right? Because I wanted to know exactly how this particular pair moved at this exact time. And the best way to do that was to just focus on this. So that's all I do now. That is all I do. that 1 hour? The 1 hour is just barcodes, right? If we get a wick at 50, what do you mean by 50? What do you mean by 50? 50 cent, a wrapper? Oh, Chris is dropping more roses and things like this. You're a G. After yesterday's... Oh, so check this out. So after yesterday's stream, I got 70... Bro, Chris, you're going wild. I don't know exactly what these mean, but you're a G. At the end of my stream, I got 70 cents, 71 cents worth of like gifts and shit like that. That's wild. I made more money with gifts. Oh, someone's putting something on my head and everything. This has gone out of control. I made more money than I did with trading yesterday because I didn't get any trades yesterday. Oh, you mean 2,750? Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I'm looking for a wick around there as well and a flip. Yeah. Thank you, Chris. You're a G. You are a G. TikTok, if you're not following, follow my channel. I'm going to be live streaming every day during the London session. Every single day. I show everything as well. I'll show you all my entries, everything I'm doing there. I'll show you all my shit. Bro, I don't know what's going on with these like gifts and things like that. Like, I can't believe it puts emojis on your head. This is wild. I wonder if I'll beat 70 cents from yesterday. That'll be gangster. And yeah, Laser, I'll be calling mum if I can beat 70 cents. I'll be retiring her from TikTok gifts. But what I'll also be looking for, I might as well draw this up here, is a break below this area for sells. Closure. I'll also be looking for that. Let me just do something here. Yeah, I'll be looking for that. But I'm still open to this kind of mid-range flip if it prints nicely. MBG, hey brother, hope you're doing well. Love your trading content. Oh, appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, I decided to just start showing up every day and just showing what I'm doing on the markets over here. There seems to be a bit of a shortage of that in the industry, I guess. And I understand why, because think about how stressful trading is already as it is, and then doing it in front of people. Like when I take L's in front of people, I don't really care, but I'm just like, oh, interesting. Yeah, sells below that if we get a decent closure. Yeah, I wonder how freaking. I wonder how TikTok game works. Like, if I'm sitting around average of 40 viewers today, but yesterday it was like in the hundreds. It's like, what is this freaking app doing? It's got a mind of its own. It's just interesting. All right, so I've got 4 minutes over here for this 15 to close. Let's see what it can do. See if we can print bullish or bearish. It's got no top week at the moment, so there's a decent amount of bearish momentum. It didn't even get an opportunity to create a top week, it just pushed. One sec. Look at the 1 minute and see if anything is building up. Well, I wouldn't do that because even if it looked like something was building up on the 1 minute, it's not a strong enough confirmation candle for me to be like, yeah, sweet, this is going to dictate what is likely to happen next, right? It's not a strong enough confirmation. Like, for instance, I could look at the 1 minute over here and be like, oh shit, son, like look at all these bottom wicks over here. It's wicking out so much and pushing up. But that doesn't mean shit. It'll just come back down and do its own thing. Like it might, but it's just not a strong enough confirmation candle, that's all. So that's why I primarily would just stick with the 15 and the 30, like for my mid-range shit. For my mid-range shit. But like, you got to think, like, if you're somebody that takes entries on the 1 minute, like it'd be likely you'd want to kind of build a thesis over the higher time frames and then look for entries on the 1 minute. Yeah, neither do I. I don't look at the 105 at all. Because look what just happened. All them wicks. Oh man, look, we just got an engulfing candle right there. This is definitely going up. Oh, it's going up. I'm in buyers. What just happened? Right? Perfect example right there. So I'll just stick to the higher time frames over here. We've got 40 seconds here before this 15 closes. .15 seconds for the 15 closure. Somebody said before, talking about the flag, and I said it's not relevant until this comes down, which it's kind of coming down now. I'm pretty well versed on like flags and pennants and things like that. Like they do. The issue is they're pretty unpredictable. But when they do break out, they'll break out generally with quite a lot of volume. And the cleaner they are, like this, even though it's still not valid until it like kind of bounces up maybe one more time. But the cleaner it is, the stronger the push as well. Like the stronger the breakout, sorry. But I don't want to pay attention to that too much. Yep, I agree. Dumas, do you trade Bitcoin and why? No, I don't, because I trade gold. That's why. That's the only reason why. How does a flag work? So a flag, in theory, I don't know, but I can only use what I would understand about, I guess, candles and overall sentiment is a flag it bounces off a trend line essentially from both top and bottom, right? Eventually, it does this. Oh, hold on one sec. Eventually, it gets to a point like this, and then comes back down like this, and then up like this, and then it eventually gets to like a pivot point, right? It'll get to like this pivot point where it's like, okay, the uptrend, the downtrend, both are being fucking kind of like, no one's taken over here. It's like a bunch of pressure gets built up and then it just bursts, right? It just bursts. And I used to dictate like, okay, if I get a 15-minute closure outside of that burst, that's going to improve the probability that it's going in that direction. But even that, it's not that strong. Like you'd want like a 30-minute or an hour even. But by that point, you've kind of missed the trade. And a lot of the times as well, it'll break out. Just say it does its thing and then breaks out to the downside. It'll usually come back up and test the bottom end. It'll usually come back up and test the bottom end and then go. Or it'll just keep going up. But by the time you've got some sort of confirmation that's broken out and you've entered a trade about there and it's decided to come back and retest the bottom end, bro, your stop loss is so far away. You're in a bit of drawdown by that point. So they're just not the best to trade, I don't think. What is TA right now? HTF gold. HTF means higher time frame. I don't know what TA means. And gold is what we're on. I'm trading gold right now. TikTok, if you're watching this, drop a follow. I'll be streaming every single day during the London session. Drop a follow, be a gangster. Technical analysis, it's bullish. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see, right? We'll have to wait and see. So this 30 minutes still open. Are you looking for buy? I'm waiting to see how these support and resistance areas are, how the price reacts off these support and resistance areas to dictate if I want to take a sell or a buy. So hope we should be waiting for a sell retest. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the higher time frames are obviously very bullish. Like, look at this shit. This is a monthly. It's just a big green fucking pole. Yeah, higher time frames are bullish. Big Dog TV, can you look at 4-hour resistance and draw the pennant? It's flat top and ascending wedge, in my opinion, on the 4-hour. If you get a 4-hour pennant, then it's fucking, the breakout's tremendous. I don't see it as a... The issue with that one, Big Dog, is what I was saying before is you'll get the best reaction out of a pennant the cleaner it is. See how these areas here, if you're thinking of this as a flat top pennant, right? I can see that's what you're saying, but these two areas here, they weren't able to come up and tap. If it did that and tapped up, and then this came down like that, then fucking we're off to the races. It's going to break out one way or the other. But because those two areas, they didn't really tap up there, right? So it kind of, it's not a clean pennant then. It's, I would actually not consider that a valid pennant, flat top pennant. That's just my opinion, right? You could be looking at something completely different, and that's completely fine. But yeah, that's the only thing I'm thinking over there. YH, it's not valid. What does YH mean? Look at this over here. So what's a 15 looking like? Bigger bodies, even though this one hasn't closed. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm a dork. Yeah, it's not valid. Using that belief system of what I just described. All right, so we're approaching this support zone over here. We've still got 8 minutes before this 30-minute closes. A very similar thing thus far is happening as it did in London yesterday, where it kind of just dropped. It didn't give much telegraph. I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but yeah, very interesting. Getting some droppage over here. Let's measure this range from where it's dropped. It's currently down nearly 80 pips. And on the 30 and the 15, it's only printed red candles. So if this does close down in this range around this support level, I'm going to need a green candle printed before I look at taking sells down. Because my analysis, my journaling, and my understanding of how these markets move says that the probability of candles printing that many red without any support being formed and continuing another bunch of pips is much lower than it is if some sort of support gets printed first. So I'm going to wait for support to get printed first over here. Mia WW _ 999 sell price. Mia, I love you, but if you were on TikTok looking for signals, I would highly suggest you type into Google babypips.com and just do a bit more study. It's a free course. All right, so let's see what's going on over here. We'll have to wait to see how this one closes. A lot of volume pushing down. And the next support level is all the way down here. Yeah, it's going to close bearish under support. We don't know yet. Still 5 minutes. I've seen this many times where it just rejects back up. But it could. It's entirely possible. It's entirely possible. Either way, there's potential opportunities. It just means on the 15, I will need some sort of green candle printed afterwards. That's all. Because even if it closes below and I'm like, oh man, that's kind of what I was looking for. This sucks. But the next one prints something like this, but it's still under that support. That's great. That's actually a beautiful sign, and I'll look for an impulse sell right there. But this is all speculative shit. Let's see how this closes. Real BKT in real beating? How many years experience do you have? I've been trading for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Habanafsky. What time frame is this? This is the 15. I'll be switching between the 15 and the 30 primarily. But right now I'm having a look at the 15 over here. We've got 4 minutes before this candle closes and 4 minutes before the 30-minute candle closes as well. It's leaving no prisoners. It's just kind of dropping without any telegraph, and we'll see what it does. We'll see how it can close. But yeah, no prisoners are being left. That's for sure. Funding next. Oh, I thought this was the credentials. Dumas, what is your strategy? You trade only candle closes? A lot of the time. But in instances where if this were to close below this support level here and the next one closed like that, and I'm going, my bias is still bearish. If the next one after that closes, if the next one after that opens up and pushes down, I'll take an impulse buy there, sell there without waiting for the candle to close. But like I said, I don't think at the rate in which this is dropping and the aggressiveness that it is, I don't think that's gonna happen. We'll have to wait and see. Wow, I'm a student, but I'm getting good at trading. Oh, good shit, my man. Good shit. Just keep at it. Keep at it, like us. We rock up here every day and trade. It's pronounced Hubu Nufsik. Hubu Nufsik. Hubu Nufsik. Like, how? Is that actually your name? Hubu Nufsik. Not to be confused with Boo Boo Front Kick. Melting. Yeah, bro. Look at this. This is bonkers. So this 15-minute candle has dropped 50 pips. Whoa. Yeah, definitely a nice name, bro. Very rare. I got a freaking stock standard name, Daniel. Bruh. Hook me up with some Hubu names. Are you from the UK too, mate? No, I'm from Australia. I live in Brisbane, Australia. Loving the stream. Got my FTMO today, so hoping to... Oh, okay. Thanks for the compliment, man. Yeah, rock up every day for the stream. I used to trade FTMO. I can't anymore. They changed their leverage here in Australia. So you can't really even risk 1%. But if you're from the UK, good shit, man. Smash it. Stick to your rules. Stay disciplined, right? Cody Benson, just joined your live. I have no idea what I'm looking at. What's a good resource to get clued up? Type into Google babypips.com. It's a free course. It's not going to blow your socks off in terms of entertainment, but it's going to teach you the basics. Not only that, it's going to test if you really want this, because it's not the most exciting. But all right, so look at this. It's wicked up and rejected, and it looks like it's going to close back in the range. It's going to close back in the range. I understand that a lot of people are going to go, this is a perfect time to buy. Look, it's wicked up. It's just grabbed a bunch of liquidity before it breaks all-time highs, which actually isn't a bad thesis. And I can tell you there's a lot of people that are probably going to make a lot of money trading like that. I don't trade like that, and I have to stick to my rules, right? And my rules say I need to wait for candles to close. And I need to wait for some other shit. And not only that, I know gold very well. Gold very rarely leaves one wick. It will usually retest that wick. But that's a very suspicious wick. It could definitely be argued that that's a liquidity grab for a continuation of grab buy to break through these all-time highs. But who fucking knows? Let's just wait and see what happens. See if we get any type of signal over here. I think for myself, if this 15-minute candle can wick back down, check this out. So if this 15-minute candle over here, can retest this wick, something like that, flip, close relatively small body bullish, I'll be looking to take a buy at the break there. Yeah, a bit of a liquidity grab of some sort. I guess, yeah, it comes back down. It comes back down to your belief on what the market is, right? But that is definitely a bit of a suspicious one. That does seem a bit suspicious. But again, I can't speculate on things that aren't in accordance to my trading plan, unfortunately. Because I'd love to take a buy and go, man, that's sus. They're grabbing liquidity for all-time highs. But that would be me breaking my own rules just to try and get one trade. There's plenty of opportunities. There's plenty of opportunities everywhere. 8,000 likes. Bro, this is bonkers. And I don't use the word bonkers lightly. I need your mindset, bro. Keep joining the live and we'll keep imprinting this mindset. But the concept is to not only just have the mindset, but implement it with action. So I've got to voice my mindset into existence and then use daily practice to kind of sharpen it. Oh, Hobbs back. Now we rock it. Yeah, maybe. History. For confirmation, we'll be moving sideways for 4 to 5 candles and then warming up for a rocket. Yeah. Let's see how this 15 prints, because a very interesting thing has just happened here. And let's see how it goes. MR8 scalping. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. I could look for a buy down here, but I need to wait for this 15 to close and see if it presents what I want to see. I would like to see this wick somewhat retested one more time. User 26702217688107. We wait for engulfing confirmation. Yeah, I agree with that. Some sort of engulfing confirmation. Again, I'd like one more wick down. But I'm absolutely fine with missing this and letting it go, because I'm building the mental discipline that says, hey, I stick to my rules. Even I don't care how tempting it is, I stick to my rules no matter what. Because I can tell you right now, there's Temptation Island for sure right now. But I know through the pain and previous data that when I fucking submit to my temptation, I lose trades. MR.8, I buy from 2746. 2746, 274. I mean, oh, I guess that's Forex, sorry. Let's see if Forex tells a different story at all. Same shit. Oh, so you're telling me you got at the bottom of this wick. Good shit. Someone said just do it. I would never just impulsively take a trade based on temptation. What are your trading rules you follow while trading? A lot. But in instances like this, I can tell that there's temptation within me because I'm using my mind to justify reasons why things could happen, right? I'm going, oh, a liquidity grab, all-time highs. And yeah, it could happen. It could be completely justifiable. But I know that's not in accordance to my plan. I don't want to play a game of where I wait for liquidity grabs and try to speculate what could happen next. I know I get the most confirmation when I wait for candles to close. Oscar White, I can resist anything but temptation. Oh, someone over here got 160. Someone over here got 62 pips. Amazing, man. Incredible. Someone over here got 62 pips. So I'm gonna wait for this closure over here. For sure, people that are buying will be liquidated before price moving up. Yeah, Big Dog says check out the 4 hour. It's telling a lot. Yeah, this is another thing to take into consideration, guys. The 4 hour is closing in 23 minutes over here. The 4 hour is closing in 23 minutes over here. Yeah, I'm certainly going to wait. I'm certainly going to wait over here. B said, been pushing myself to use order blocks, London Open strat. Bottled it today and would have hit take profit. Ooh. Ooh. That's all right, brother, as long as you stuck to your rules. A losing trade is fine as long as you stuck to your rules. Oh, history, you got 60 pip as well. You guys are out of control. You guys are out of control. But realistically, guys, think about it like this. This candle at one stage, this big wick right here at one stage, just before was that, right? It looked like that. And a lot of people are going, I took buys right there. Why the fuck would you take buys when the candle's pushing down, anticipating that it's just going to reverse, right? That's not a good trading strategy. That's hope. That's hope. I'm gonna wait for candles to close and not hope, because sometimes you're gonna get lucky and it's gonna flip and you're gonna be like, fuck yeah, I just called a good trade there. But I guarantee you are building bad habits by doing that. There was no confirmation whatsoever that this was gonna flip back bullish. So you might get lucky here and there, but you're gonna build bad habits, and I guarantee you get burnt more than you get profits. Mr. 8 said, yeah, I gamble. Yep. This is what history said. Gold never pushes down once. I completely agree with that. Like a big naked wick out in the open like that, very rarely would just be left like that. It will usually always get retested. We better play the waiting game. Yep. Get confirmation. We don't want to gamble over here. There you go, B. You stuck to your rules. It's just a probability game. Cool, took a loss. Do this, jump over to your journal. This is my journal. I'd journal it. Cool, took a L here, blah, blah, blah. Back to the drawing board. It's when you break your rules and try and get a win, and it's a loss where it's like, fuck, I'm an idiot. I need to not do that. Wick needs to be filled. Yeah, man, like check, like all you really need to do, all you need to do on gold is just look around type shit. There's always multiple wicks. Multiple wicks. Look at this. Oh, it's come down. People are all fucking jumping on this. It's come down. I'm taking buys here. It goes up. It retests. You know? I'm not saying it's going to do that, but I've just noticed with gold, it likes to retest multiple times. And loves wick fills. Again, not saying it's going to do that. I'm just saying these are things that I'd be cautious, that I'd be thinking. Cyprian, what is up, my dude? What is up? Good to have you here. Just waiting for some sort of opportunity. Waiting for this 15 to close on gold. Bro, I'm nearly at 10,000 likes on TikTok. Oh, shit the bed. TikTok, if you're on this stream, drop a follow, man. I live stream London session every day here, so let's do some trading together and get shit happening. And I'll be giving away some free prop firm accounts in my Discord. The Discord is in my bio, TikTok guys. If you're on YouTube, it's in the chat there. How was work today? Work was good. Yeah, I'll be staying here for most of the London session. I think I'm going to get an opportunity over here for a position here on London. So I'm just waiting over here. Hypebeast, trading versus ecom. Which one is better with student level income? Well, that's such an interesting question, and it's so not simple. I personally would say trading. Like, I would say put your efforts into trading, but either one of these things you decide in, it doesn't matter how much money you got. It matters if you're dedicated to put a few years in just to make a little bit of progress and probably go through quite a lot of pain during that process. But learn trading, man. If you're a young dude, learn trading. Why not? Learn the skill. Let's get it to 20K, says Hubba. Oh, I just scrolled and saw a guy that took a buy at the top of the range there. After the close of the 15-minute candle here, will you take a buy? Let's have a look at some of these time frames. I'll tell you what I'll do. If this 15-minute candle can close something like this, I would like a smaller body, to be honest. And the next one wicks down and flips, I'll potentially take a buy there. My only reservation, and the reason I probably wouldn't, and the reason why I wanted a smaller body here, is if I take a buy there and my stop loss is usually below the support level, that's too big of a range, right? It's 27 pips from there, and now it's all the way up there. So I can't. I really can't. It doesn't make sense. You deserve to get 1 million followers. Oh, I appreciate that more than you know. I fucking... Yeah. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Mrs. Beast over here is what I would be. But we're just waiting for something. What platform do you trade on? Topstep X. I'm on a 100K combine challenge account. Hubu. Oh, Hubu. Sorry. Yes. What did I say? Hubba. Hubu. Yes, I'm trading 100K combine. History is saying have a look at the 4 hour. I like this. We've come up on the 4 hour. This one's about to close bearish, creating some sort of support over here. And I could I could look at, if we get a wick down, I could look at taking an impulse buy here at all-time highs. I think we're going up, guys. I don't like to predict these types of things, but I'm pretty bullish. All right, so this one's just closed. It's too far away from support for me to probably take a buy there, like, to be honest. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's too far type shit. Let me use my brain here. Let me use my brain. This support level here, if I were to take something there, it's 28 pips, bro. I don't like that. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. The 4 hours about to close as well. We're going to have to wait for this 4 hour to close. It closes in 15 minutes. It would be really unprofessional of me to take an entry without waiting 15 minutes, you guys. It'd be really unprofessional of me to do that. That would be really unprofessional of me. User 246, whatever, said confirmed to buy. He's got confirmation from the liquidity providers that a buy is now being confirmed. And oh, bro, I'm at 11k likes on TikTok. What the fuck? Oh. Yo, Daniel, how you doing? I had 1 to 4 short today. Boom, bread coming through with a 1 to 4. Fuck yeah. Very nice. Very nice. TikTok, if you're watching this, drop a follow. I'll be live streaming every single day during the London session. And if you're interested in a free prop firm account, in my bio I have a link to my Discord. I'll be giving them away in the Discord over there. All right, we've got 12 and a half minutes here for the 4 hour closure. Let's be professionals over here and wait for this 4 hour. Because if I were to use my brain right now and go, what would a professional do? Like, what would a really high level institutional trader do? Even though they're probably not trading like this, but what would a high level trader do in my position? They would probably know that when the new 4 hour opens up, it's going to wick one way or the other. And you have to ask yourself, do you want to be involved in that wick, that unpredictable wick? I kind of don't. So I'm going to wait for that 4 hour, I think. I think that's what I'm going to do over there. 12k likes on TikTok. Oh, bro. That's blowing my mind. That's nearly double from yesterday. Yeah, see, Raymond, yeah, best to wait. 100%, bro. I brought at the very tip of that bottom wick, took profits and set thing. Verified gangster, I'm very happy for you, but my only question to you would be, oh, my light bulb just exploded. What gave you the confirmation when a full candle looked like this? What part of you said, now that I'm getting this gigantic bearish movement, let me go against this and just click buy, right? I've never seen a strategy, and I've dabbled in a lot of different strategies that indicates when a candle's moving, just click in the opposite direction. And I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm just, these are some things to consider, because it's like, yeah, it can work here and there, but I think that's kind of a way of instilling bad habits. Price already closed above. Yeah, but that's old. But if it were to come back down and close below, I'd definitely be looking at sells. But I don't think it's going back down, unless it wants to retest this week. I don't think we're going down today. Great knowledge. A beginner would have entered the trade already. Wait in the higher time frame confirmation. Wait for these candles to close over here. V, definitely. Hey, I was here last night. What was the profits? No trade was taken yesterday, bro. There was no indication. Gold just dropped. Drop. This was gold's movements yesterday down here. And you know what? You know what, AJ? That's totally okay. That is completely fine that a trade didn't arise that was in accordance to my plan yesterday. Because there's today. Back at it today. The markets aren't going anywhere. Can you guys imagine if one day you jump on the markets and it just looks like this? You're like, where the fuck's the candles? I want to make money, bro. Where the fuck are the candles? That's never happening. So I'm okay to not trade for a day because I know the candles are here. And I caught a move here in Asia. Got $858 in this move up. And now we're just here in London waiting for another opportunity. It looks like this 4 hour is going to flip. Oh, it's got 9 minutes over here. 9 minutes. AJ, no, I agree. Always stick to your plan. 100%, bro. I got lucky, bro. I took 4 trade buys as it was going down, hoping for the retest. Oh, well, verified gangster. You are a verified gangster for actually saying that and knowing that. And if you go to journal tonight, right? Here's my journal. If you decide, okay, it's time to journal my trades for the day, you need to write in that journal, I took a gamble today and it paid off. Tomorrow I won't do that because I don't want to instill bad habits. So tomorrow I'm not going to gamble again. Because yeah, you got paid, if I take a trade that's not in accordance to my trading plan and it wins, I kind of feel shit. I'm like, okay, I got like a cheap win, I guess, right? Bro, I want to continue risking buy. I user that said that, because your name's too long to pronounce. You listen to what words you just said there. I want to continue. I want to risk. Why do you feel that urge? Because it's moving and you get the urge. You don't want to miss out, right? That feeling that you're feeling right now is called FOMO, fear of missing out. You need to just be aware of that. Neglect that emotion, bro, because it's going to be detrimental to you long term. Damn, if I can get that as a student, my life would be much better. Facts, yeah. Definitely, yeah, good shit, bro. Just just journal it and keep at it. I'm also waiting patiently. Yeah, good man. Let's not get FOMO over here, guys. Let's not get FOMO over here, and let's wait patiently. Big dog, you're totally right. You don't have to be in a trade. Yeah, you don't have to be in a trade. Your mind tells you that you need to trade. Psychology is a motherfucker. Psychology is 100% a motherfucker. Especially, guys, if you're in a challenge or you're in drawdown or whatever it might be, and you come into the markets. Like if I were to sit, there's 2 ways you can come into the markets and sit down. You can come into the markets today and sit down and go, fuck yeah, I'm ready to hit the fucking ground running. I'm ready to sit in the hot seat and make some shit happen. I'm here to make some money, right? That's a bad way to go. Because when you're in a trade and you've got the mindset of I'm here to make some money and you take a loss, that's going to hurt your ego because you've been thinking about it for a few hours throughout the day. Yeah, I'm making money today. And then you take a loss, it's going to double hurt your ego. So you're much better off coming into the markets just going, you know what, I'm here. I'm going to execute my plan. I'm going to be as robotic as I can about it. And if I lose, that's a part of the game. If I win, cool. That's it. No predetermined idea of what I hope happens. I'm just going to show up and that's it. I think that's a much better way to approach the markets, personally. Thomas, just join. Are we in short or long? Nothing just yet, brother. Waiting for this candle closure. We've got 5 minutes over here before this 4-hour candle closes, and see if some sort of opportunities arise. We got some sort of push down over here, left a big wick. It could be an indication that it's going to continue up and break through all-time highs, so we'll have to see. Felt some sort of FOMO when it was doing this, but it wasn't in accordance to the plan, so just have to stick to the plan. That wick on the 4-hour. So the wick on the 4-hour over here, this to me looks like we've had good bullish momentum pushing up on the 4-hour, right? Closed strong. The next one pushed down to try and push price back down. For whatever reason, it didn't want to do it. It came down and flipped and it's pushing back up. So this is looking like some good bullish momentum. Like this is looking good. If we, if our bias for the day is somewhat bullish, we've got some high time frames that back that story up. Let's see what the daily looks like. Daily's looking hella strong. Like, let's see what happens. Pranay Raj M. Patience is key, man. More patience, more learning for the market. Yeah, bro. Patience is so key, man. Like, look at these streams. I'll sit here for 3 hours and sometimes not even take a trade. Because it's just like, patience pays. If I fall victim to FOMO and things like this wick and, these movements, yeah, I get lucky here and there, but in the long run, I lose money. I'd much rather be patient. 12k likes. Yeah, bro, what the fuck? It's so bonkers. 12k likes. Guys, if you're watching this, drop a follow on TikTok. I stream during the London session every day. All right, I'll be streaming every day. It's my second stream ever on TikTok. So I'm in YouTube as well right now. And in my bio, I've got a link to my Discord where I'll be giving away some free prop firm accounts over there. I had this prop firm called Funding Next hit me up. Like, here, bro. Hook some brothers up. So that's what I'll do. That reminds me, I've got so they gave me the credentials for mine. Here's mine. I've got mine open up as well. So if I see a good setup, I'll be taking it over here as well. Let me do a bit of analysis here on MT5. I backtest on MT5, so it's kind of good for me to see it. Yeah, again, this would have been a good setup. It's just unfortunate the stop loss would have been so far. The stop loss would have been like 30 pips too far. But yeah, the 1 hour is just consolidating. It's just shit. All right, got a minute over here before this 4 hour closes. Nice arms, thank you. I train every day. I've been for about 10 years. Yeah, we're all rich, gangster. We're all rich. Now we're waiting. We've got a minute here before this 4 hour closes. Let's see how the 4 hour closes. How high do you usually leverage your trades? I'll like risk 1% on the account type shit. 1%. Must be a retracement then, buys. Yeah. Now that we're back in the middle of this range, right, we're in the middle of this range. Here's the top, here's the bottom. This is a big range. It's like a 100 pip range, right? In the middle, you can't do anything. Nothing can be done in the middle there. So now I've got to either wait for some sort of breakout at the top or some sort of breakout below. I think when this next candle opens up, it's potentially going to wick down, and then we might get some sort of breakout at the top. So let's be patient here and see what happens. 2 hours into London, so let's see what happens over here. Hubu, I made $50 on 1,500 for the day. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Awesome, bro. Clean. TikTok, drop a follow if you're not already. Jump on these lives, my dudes. I'm saying my dudes because, like, what's the probability of their being girls? What's your biggest trade ever? Well, it'd be on a prop account, a couple of grand, but it's not really mine. Oh, Hubu's a girl. Shit. Sorry, incredible. Wow. Okay, well, there you go. I'm very happy to have a girl here. That's amazing. Female trader. Incredible stuff. Oh, Sheridan, I am too. Wow, okay. I'm so sexist over here. Sheesh. I joined the Discord. Awesome, brother. Awesome. Stay posted. MBG made 30 grand last week on gold. Bruh. That's incredible. If you really made 30 grand, that's incredible. Good shit, man. Good shit. 30. Laser. Yeah, MBG, you need to join this Discord and we need fucking evidence. And then if it's true, you have to give us all money. Alright, so let's have a look over here. What's this 4 hour doing now? The new one's opened up. And it's doing nothing just yet. So let's see what it can do. Yeah, we're over here struggling for gas money. We are over here struggling. What's the 4 hour look like on futures? Yeah, a lot of potential is setting up here, guys, I believe. We're stuck in this consolidation range. Look at this range right here. Nothing, right? It's just consolidating within this range. And what does gold like to do? Gold likes to get to a range, consolidate, and then shoot. So for the TikTok guys, I'll show you. What does gold like to do? It likes to get to a range, consolidate, and then shoot. And you'll see that represented through like so many times, especially if you zoom out on the higher time frames as well. Yeah, we're definitely edging the highs over here. We are definitely edging highs. Oh, MBG, I have evidence. Okay, very nice. Oh, somebody's trying to hit on Hubu over here in the chat. Wow. Traders Connect. Maybe I'll like start a dating thing for traders over here on TikTok. Yeah, Laser, this is a dating show. Incredible stuff. Incredible stuff over here on the chat. Lots of dating. Only traders. Bonji, data trader site. Yeah. Oh, that's hilarious. Listen to what he said. You lose a trade, you lose the date. It's like speed dating. They're like, well, imagine that speed date, and the chick's kind of got like a chart on a little laptop, and she's like, okay, I need you to execute this trade. It's like a simulator where they can speed it up. And if you if you lose the trade, it's like next. Bro, that would be fucking hilarious. I think we just thought of an idea. I might have to start a YouTube channel. Oh, that's fucking gold, man. Why is that so funny to me? Bro, MGM just sent MG just sent my 1567. Thanks, bro. Oh, you're capping. That's fucking not true, bro. There's no way, verified gangster, that this guy just sent you $1,500. That is cap. And I don't use that word ever, but I just used it. Bro, I swear. Fuck off, man. There's no way. There's no way. Verified gangster, are you in my Discord? You guys are in this together. This is some sort of scam, surely. There's no way dudes are giving away fucking 1,500 in the chat. I need you to join the Discord. I need evidence of this shit. Bro can't even drop a fucking flower. You know, like TikTok, you can leave these flowers and shit. The way you're reacting, though, I believe, like, you're... the way you're reacting, I kind of believe it. Oh, it's a request on... Yeah, just click the request. I think I'll accept it. I think it just works anyway. Bro, he's got to be capping. That can't be real. That can't be real. You guys are in on it together, and then somehow we all get scammed. Oh no, he requested that. Oh, he's trying to get that money off you. This is a mess. Oh, fuck. Wow, so he said he won 30 grand, but instead he's asking you for money. That's hilarious. Wow. That's really funny. Oh, verified gangster. That sucks, man. You just thought you were gonna hit the jackpot in the chat. God damn it. Oh, well, it's a hard world out here. Maybe I should block that guy. That's a bit scammy for him to do that to you. Alright, what's going on over here? Ideally, I'd like this to close red to create some sort of support, because after that, if this can close red, and then we get a blue candle after that that flips and breaks this high, that'd be good. Because this range is too big for just blue candles to be printed. Yeah, I'll block him if he pops up again. If I made 30 grand in a week, it wouldn't be on TikTok. I was going to say that as well, Kid Boo, but I didn't want to be a dick. That's exactly what I was thinking. 20,000 likes should be easy, people. I agree. Come on, gang. This is my second ever stream. I might have to stop doing them forever if I don't get to 20 grand. And that, my friends, is called blackmail. For real. 30 bro won 30 grand last week, but he's on TikTok looking at signals. Unless he's like he's a guy that's like, man, he understands that he needs to just keep learning. There's nothing wrong with constant learning. But no, he's clearly a scammer. Oh fuck. That's crazy, bro. Oh my god, I'm at 15k. Fuck, man, that's wild. Thanks, guys. You guys are crazy. If it breaks the nearest resistance, I will go for buys. Yeah, but the thing, so I'm looking at this as well, user, and you've got two resistances here. So if we're anticipating all-time highs to get hit and we're waiting for a breakout of all-time highs, on the way there we've got two resistances. Here's one right here, and here's another right here. So I know when this moves up, it's going to have to cross these two, and my question is it going to have an issue getting past them? So because I don't want to get caught in the potential issue of it getting past them, I'm going to have to wait for it to get close above them. The 1 hour is showing consolidation. Yeah, I know history. The 1 hour looks fucking disgusting, to be honest. But the good thing about consolidation is once it breaks out, it really breaks out. So yeah, the 1 hour looks gross. Like this London session is been very, yeah, you've had to be careful and patient in this London session, I believe. If I got 30 grand, I would leave the markets for like 2 weeks. Yeah, I reckon. Yeah, I think I'm the same there, man. I'd be like, I'm fucking taking a little breather. All right, so we've got 3 minutes here for the 15 closure. There's a lot of indecision right now. See what happens. Oh, if it breaks the nearest resistance, I'll go for a buy. Okay, interesting. Yep. Breakout after news, I think. 5 hours left. Oh, history, you think it might, we might have to be waiting for news over here. You might be right. You may be right, man. Maybe you got 30 grand on the demo. Yeah. What's your favorite setup, bro? My favorite setup is essentially what I'm waiting for here, which is essentially your textbook breakout, right? If I get a 30-minute, if we're talking perfect scenarios, this candle here comes up like this. The next candle prints red, creating some sort of support. After that, the next candle prints above and closes outside of that resistance. So now I've got a breakout trade, and then from there I wait for a wick down. When it flips, I take a buy at the break of the previous wick's candle. That's my favorite setup right there. That's my absolute favorite setup right there, and that's kind of what I'm looking for here. But that setup presents itself in different forms usually, so we'll just have to see how it presents itself. We've got 2 minutes here for this 15 closure. Verified Gangster, I'm full porting cells on a 5k challenge just for fun. Bro, we just had this conversation. You admitted that you gambled before and it's not a good habit to get into. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. If you want, unless, here, let me say this to you, Verified Gangster. Do it if trading's just like a side thing. You don't have grand visions for the future it can bring. You don't really you don't want to quit your day job. You kind of just want to do this for a bit of fun and sometimes get lucky, sometimes not. But if you see yourself as a professional in the future that's extracting money out of the financial markets on a regular basis, don't do it. Bro, I love your reaction. Oh, fuck. Are you actually not going to do it? You're just trying to wind me up. No, bro, I drive a forklift and play around on my phone. Oh, okay. So you don't... This isn't... I thought that you wanted to become a millionaire through trading. Ignore everything I just said. Bro just cooked the market before it played out. Mr. Kaylee, 17k likes. Bruh, 17k likes over here. Chat, on the chat, 17k likes. Bro, if we get to 25, I'll full port my account Verified gangster style.
Oh, I just seen so many fucking likes come through. No, okay, I'm not really gonna do that, bro. Don't you want me to be successful in this shit like you guys? Don't encourage me to fucking blow my account out over here. That's wild. TikTok really wants me to blow my account. You come live daily? Yeah, UFU. I'll be here daily, brother. I'll be live streaming the London session daily. Dusty said it's too late. Bro, mine says 18K. Bro, the fucking peer pressure when I said that, I just seen so many likes flood through. That's wild, man. TikTok's wild. They really want you to do crazy shit over here. Yeah, I'll be live streaming every day during the London session. So drop a follow if you're not already. So join the live, my dudes and girls, as I've recently found out. There's girls in this stream as well. So we're still stuck in this consolidation range. Well, it's for entertainment only, bro. It's not. It's my real money. Oh, that's fucking crazy. Looking at the 4 hour again. 15 closed small body. Let's see what happens. Oh, somebody sent a seal, like a seal gift. Looks like some sort of seal over there. Thanks, Nemo. I'm in the red 236 right now. I know why, gangster. The way shit that you've been saying, what you wanted to do. Oh, 20k likes on the chat. Thank you guys. Thank you. If a good setup arises, I'll full port. Nah, I won't, but I'll enter a very nice trade. Thank you so much, you guys. That's amazing, bro. Harpreet, which broker do you use? Brother, I'm on a 100k Topstep account using a platform called Topstep X. Verified gangster, I want to give you so many lectures, bro. I want to give you so many lectures. But I won't do that. Yeah, thank you so much for the likes, you guys. That's fucking wild stuff. Oh, Maddie, can I buy now? I forgot there's girls. You know what? I'm going to take the position as your decision maker. And I'm going to say don't buy now. I'm going to say wait for more confirmation, because right now, let's be real for a second right here. Right now, you say, can I buy now? And if you're joking or not, I don't know. But what happened to this previous 15-minute candle? It closed small body. What do we know what that means? That means there wasn't enough volume to push the candle in a certain direction. Instead, there was indecision and it closed small body, which indicates low volume. You don't want to take a trade based on low volume. You want to be in the market when there's volume. So I would say wait for this 30-minute candle to close, indicating more volume, and then make an educated decision from there. Even then, you would want some sort of support to be formed, which would be some sort of red candle printed. I have 325k live funded accounts, bro. I buy 5ks for fun. Bro, no one buys 5ks for fun. It's real money you're spending. I don't know anyone that throws money away for fun. Yeah, history. I think you might be right there. We might wow, brain tumor. We might not be getting a breakout until New York, guys, to be honest. So let's see. But I use a different software to you, says Dusty. Yeah, there's many different softwares, my brother. There's many different softwares. And Maddie said okay. Maddie, just be patient. Be patient. It's okay. Our setup will arise. A setup will arise. Verified gangster. It's $40, bro. Gibbo, are you going to sell? Gibbo, look. Look over here. Right here. What does it say? Why did I just hear a noise like a message? Oh, that was Discord. Okay. Guys, Discord. Join my Discord. Giving away free prop pump accounts. Oh. Yeah, my Discord's doing all sorts of stuff. I hope it's not people like hacking it. I got some sort of warning yesterday. Oh, that was you, History. Okay, awesome, awesome. Let's pull up History's analysis over here in the Discord. Traders chat room. Guys, join the Discord. It's in my bio there. Okay, this is History's analysis over here. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save this analysis over here and then pull it up. How do I fucking zoom in? Save image as a web file. History, why is it coming up as a web file? Alright, anyway, let me pull it over here so TikTok can see. No, I can't do it. It's oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Let's do this. Oh, I can see already you're looking at some sort of pennant over there, History. Guys, if you join the Discord and drop some analysis in the chat room, do that and I'll bring it up on screen and see what some of you guys are looking at. And see what kind of analysis you guys are looking at over there. Alright, so History, you're looking at some sort of pennant formation, right? Some sort of pennant formation and then a break out of that. It respecting some sort of uptrend as well. Okay. The only thing, because it seems like I think that pennant has become a bit invalid from my analysis, because it looks pretty side to side now type shit, if you know what I mean. Like it's pretty clear just side to side now. But I guess we'll wait and see, right? $20K likes. Yeah, I know, bro. This is bananas. Bro, do you watch a football? No, I don't. The only sports I watch is boxing and UFC, to be honest, and a bit of golf. Yeah, I'm a big UFC fan. Do you think it's going to sell because I'm in a sell trade? Oh, fuck, bro. Why would you take a sell on an uptrend? Like, it's moving up. The candles are printing green after green. It might. It might. Who knows? Catch you later, gangster. Catch you tomorrow if you're around, brother. All right, we're getting some sort of movement up here. The 4 hours pushing. It's left a small wick. I'm looking at 2858 sell. What do you think? 2858, 2858? Bro, are you on Forex or are you on Forex or fucking futures? Because 2828 on either of these is so far away. Bro, you got to believe in your own trade. Yeah, trust your own analysis. I don't know why you entered, but all I'm seeing is blue, so I wouldn't take a sell. But if you have some sort of analysis that indicated a sell is a good opportunity, trust your analysis for sure. Yes, you're a boxer. I saw on Instagram. Yeah, I've had a few boxing matches. Yep, if that resistance breaks, for sure. That's exactly what I'm looking for as well. I just, from what history has said, I have some sort of agreement with that. I think there's a potential that it doesn't happen until New York. There's a potential it doesn't happen until New York session. But let's see. Rick in the chat telling everyone to sell. 2758, sorry, 2758. Oh, you're looking for a sell. If it breaks down below there, bro, I'll be looking for a sell as well. But that's like 100 pips away now, so we'll see what happens over here. 30 minutes about to close in 3 minutes. Bit of a smaller body. See if it can break. Let's see if it can break these wicks or this closures. Yep, market's playing games where it's just ranging. And you know the interesting thing? Like, look at this. This has been London session, right? How many traders got impatient and seen it move up and down and just got caught in this fucking consolidation, right? I don't want to be caught in that consolidation. So that's why I say I want to see a breakout either way before I take an entry, because that's going to give me much stronger confirmation that my trade's going to be safer. Patience over here. Kid Boo's been scalping the range. Nice, brother. Yeah, if this, on whatever time frame you're looking at, fit your plan, you were able to get some scalps within this, good shit. There's definitely opportunities. Like, it's moved relatively clean within that range. But for someone like myself, there was no clean opportunities. Guys, if you're on TikTok, drop a follow. I'll be live streaming every day during the London session. Drop a follow. Get some shit happening over here. Now it's returning back on sells. It's not doing anything. Let's just wait for a closure. 50 seconds here for this 15 closure. And the 30 minutes about to close as well. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Now we're getting some sort of support being formed up here, which gives me stronger confirmation that if it does break out, the probability of it continuing up is much stronger, right? If it can wick down and then break out, the probability is much stronger, because before, if it's just green, that means that it's moved up over 100 pips just green without any form of support being formed yet. And then you got to ask yourself, well, what's the probability of it just being green, 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 green? Pretty low, like it's a bit lower, right? You want some sort of red to be printed. But a red hasn't been printed. Anna, I'm from Berlin. Oh, welcome, welcome. Jade Physiques, let's go, brother. Back at the live again. 100%, brother. I'm going to show up every day, and just do the damn thing. I'm also on YouTube. I show up live on YouTube every day, so I thought I'd do the same on TikTok, right? Do you wait for buy or sell? I wait for nothing. Nothing right now. We've had two small body candles just print side by side, right? You look at that and go, well, what? Oh, do I take a buy or sell? You can't do anything. Look what's happened. There's just two small body candles being printed side by side. So what do we do, and what do professionals do? They wait for confirmation of what's best next to do. And right now we have no confirmation of what's best next to do. Right now we have no confirmation. So we're going to wait. Do you go in trade live? Do you go in trade live? What do you mean? What do you mean? Sissy, yes, we have. We sell now. Oh, Sissy's saying there's confirmation to sell. Okay, yeah, there's confirmation for you in accordance to your strategy. Sell the shit out of it. Sell the absolute shit out of it. I know for myself, I have to stick to my rules, and my rules say right now there is no clear confirmation. There is no clear confirmation. Planning kid, should we sell now? Sissy said yes, so sell. Because Sissy said to sell. And if there's one thing I know about life, it's Sissy is always right. Oh, Sissy's trading on order blocks. Okay. Yeah, it could just, like we were saying before in the chat, it could just be consolidated in this range, so we could get some sort of bounce back down. Just consolidate in this range until New York session. Bro, your commentary is something else. Oh, shit the bed. Bro, 70-something people are watching, 20k likes. What the flip? Guys, if you're new here, this is my second ever stream on TikTok. Please drop a follow. I'll be streaming every day during the London session. And, oh, Anna is dropping some flowers in the chat as well. Fuck yeah, thank you, thank you. Dusty, I mentioned sell pressure 10 minutes ago. I guess it depends on your parameters. Yeah, that's exactly right, man. That is exactly right. Yeah, that's exactly right. So we'll have to see what happens over here now. Oh, bro, you've got no name. Your name's just an emoji. How is it, brother? Sending love from South Africa. Oh, loving your session. Thank you, brother. Thank you for being here. I'll be live streaming here every London session, so drop a follow. And also, you guys, I'm sorry to spam you. In my bio, I have a Discord. I'll be giving away some free prop firma challenges. I keep saying it, but that's what's up. That's what's up. If the candle closes with the bearish engulf, we sell. If the candle closes with the bearish engulf and the next one wicks up, I may look at a sell as well. I'll draw up what I might look for. If this can close with a bit smaller of a body, the next one wicks up to some degree, flips and pushes down, I might take a sell there if it does that. So I'll have to wait to see how this closes. $25k likes. Let's go, people. Yeah, I'm with you, Chris. Fucking oath, man. 25k likes is wild if that gets there. know it. One thing I never say when I'm watching these charts is I think this is going to happen. Because anytime I've ever done that, I start to build a bias in my mind of what I think might happen, right? Once you get too caught on an idea, you can be blinded to what the market is actually showing you. Yo, brother, I've only watched your live now for the second time and love your vibes, brother. Oh, appreciate that, Jade Physique. Appreciate that a lot, brother. Yep, just show up and just look for opportunities to take some trades over here. And this is a pleasure to me. I've said it the other day, this is the best part of my day. 100% when I get to sit here and trade live and talk to other traders, right? Because we're quite a niche industry, right? When you're a trader, we can all relate to each other. We understand the pain, the struggle, the joy, the love, all the shit that we go through. So it's a joy for me to be here and just, yeah, be with you guys, chatting shit. It's the best part of my day, for sure. All right, so we've got 8 minutes over here. Wait for this, see what this candle does. Potentially an opportunity for sales, potentially. Do you have any signals on what NFP might be on Friday? No, and no one does in the entire world. No one knows what's going to happen. If anyone tells you they do, disregard it. Market is waiting for the news. Yeah, but the news is still not for quite some time, but I think you're right, MRG. I think you're right. And you guys, unless this flips back up, my sell opportunities becoming invalid, and I might actually, I might end the stream and come back tomorrow because here's the thing, guys. We've just consolidated within this range the whole London session. Look at this on the hour chart, you guys. Look at this on the hour chart. This is the London session, right? This is London. Disgusting. And like MRG just said in the chat, what does price do before big news events? It just consolidates, right? It consolidates. It's a bit indecisive. And then it waits for the news to make the big move outside of that range. I'm a range trader. I want to move with the market. I don't want to be stuck in consolidation. And unfortunately, that's what it's been today. But it's not unfortunate because trading's also about discipline. I've been able to exercise my discipline today to go, you know what? My setup hasn't arisen, and that's okay. I don't need to trade. Elliot Porter, longest single trade you've ever held? Not that long. I don't aim for big swings or anything like that, brother. Scalping heaven. Yeah, it is a scalping heaven if you're a low time frame trader and whatever you do and this fits your parameters. It might have been a good opportunity. Do you give signal? No, I don't give signal. I just rock up here. If you want to follow my entries and stuff like that, it's up to you, but I wouldn't call it a signal. What time is news? Let's have a look over here. Where are we? Today. Yeah, news isn't for still a fair while, you guys. I think news is in 3 hours. News is in 3 hours. And you think, fuck 3 hours, a lot can happen there. Yeah, a lot can. Yeah, I don't know. All I know is I trade London and this London session has just been consolidating. Again, look at that. That's the 1 hour. That's the London. Do you look at that and go, oh, fuck yeah, sign me up. I want to trade that. Probably not, right? I look at that and go, that's fucking gross. I want clean moves. I want breakouts. I want volume. I want momentum. But instead, we've just had a side-by-side type shit. But that's okay. Again, it's just an opportunity to exercise discipline. What's harder than taking a trade is actually not taking a trade. It's pretty hard to not take a trade. So, guys, I'm going to be brutally honest. Actually, I'll wait to see. I'll wait for this candle closure, but I might just call it a day in a minute. Come back tomorrow and hopefully get some clean range happening. Sending love from Netherlands. Oh, thank you. Thanks for being here. Again, you guys, if you're not following, drop a follow. I'll be live streaming every day here. So just as a reminder, if you want to jump on, and if you're not following me, you might not see it. It's not high impact news. Yeah, it is red folder news. In terms of the impact it'll have, who fucking knows? And again, this is NFP week. We have a lot of shit happening this week. I wouldn't have considered it high enough impact for us to get this type of price action. But yeah, we could very easily just get a breakout in the New York sesh. No, I won't trade the news. I think it's not very smart. I always think, what would a professional trader do? What would a very, very high level trader that's been extracting money out of the financial markets for 15 years plus do? Do you think they're going to be like, oh, news is about to hit. I'm going to click buy. I think it's going to go up. You know, that's silly. So I'll avoid the news and then try to capitalize on the volatility afterwards, maybe. But I'll be asleep by then. Why do you choose a London session, no other session? I choose a London session because like Roger Banks here, I'll tell you one thing. I used to put a buy stop and a sell stop like Roger Banks does above and below news. And then like if it goes up or down, you kind of get triggered in. Oh, man, like you win sometimes, but over the grand scheme of things, you lose much more. It's just gambling. So, guys, I love you all. Thank you for being here. Again, drop a subscribe if you want to jump on the next streams. Hopefully, a clean setup will rise tomorrow and be able to get something. Again, today it's just looked like this for the London session. So, love yous all. I'll be back tomorrow and peace out. Thank you for being here. YouTube, guys, done. My brain's fried. I'm not going to wait around. I'm getting a bit antsy now, so let's just call it a day.